Georgette, mari daw dito. Buli ni ina mo. Mari dito. Mala ni ka umi eh. Buli ni ina mo, chiching lason ta ka. Where were you this morning, ha? Your teacher called me and said you didn't go to school today. What is wrong with you? I thought you were at school na buli ni ina mo, ha? You lied to me. Why do you have to lie to me, ha? I told you, always let me know where you're going. So I know where to find you when something happens, Georgette. Ya kurog ako ning kauyaman sa imo, buli ni ina mo. Maaapas ako ning konsumisyon sa inyo na mga buli ni ina nyo. Mapaaram na sana kamo kung asiin kamo, isakit pa kamo, ha? I cannot believe this. What if something serious happened to you, ha? Where am I gonna find you? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Ha? All I want is the truth, nothing but the truth. Because honesty is the best policy. Kung may ka magadungog sa ako bilang magurang mo, paglayas na, darhagabos na bado mo, pag ibadong kikakak, titig ba mo ako sa hagas? Pag ako natigbak, kahihilak nyo to,